So I've got the impossible dent here. It's in a very difficult spot. So this piece here is really tough metal, and then everything behind this is really hard metal too. And if you look at it, it's just an impossible spot to get to because, I don't know, I think all dents are probably hard to get to. This is something you can't suction out. It's gonna have to be physically pushed out. I've had boards underneath here trying to wedge out, boards up inside trying to wedge out. I can't really get any good angle on it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna chop out a piece here on the inside of the bed to give me access to do all the damage I need to. Hopefully it works. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. If anybody else out there has a better idea on a way to go about this, please let me know. But I think we're just gonna do it anyways. I went to the body shop guy and he said that he would charge about $1,000 to even try it. And even trying it, he really didn't feel confident in his ability to do anything. So I'm basically saying this bed is shot. Just no work pickup. So I think my plan is to cut this piece out, then I can have access to it. I might just cut here down and then back. That is how you make access to a quarter panel. If that's a good idea or not, I really don't know, but man, look at that. Now I could beat the tar out of that thing. Ha, ha, ha. So I'm really trying to bash this thing out. See if we can get there. I just don't have the room I really need. I can hit the other darn side. Man, I'm not doing any progress there. If I can get this thing to just hold the tail light, that's my goal, without flapping out in the wind. There was a brand new one in there, but the wind caught it and ripped it out. I try to get this dent out, maybe here a little bit, but right here needs to pop out. And obviously the back side of this thing needs to come out a little bit more. Oh no, my paint's coming off. Here, I'm gonna work on this back side of this dent a little bit, maybe, if I can. Man, I'm a professional dent remover, guys. Boy, now I just have this big old dent down here. It's still caved in this way. I need to bash it back that way a little bit, I think. I don't know if I got the right angle. Maybe I need to cut another hole in here so I can have a better angle. But I'll tell you, when you're down to fixing dents with the receiver hitch, I mean, you just can't get too particular. But man, they work good. Straightens them right out there. Man. What's better than one hole kind of in the wrong spots? Two hopefully close to where they need to be, right? Ooh, hot. Hey, look. See, I meant to do that. I cut it perfectly like that, so when I'm done doing my work, I can just fold it right back up and it should be held in place. It takes some years and years of experience to learn how to do that trick. Just fixed this tail light on this puppy. I think it looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Got a little bit of room in here to make a whistle. I think that's gonna be a whistle. You know, some people have deer whistles in their cars. That's my deer whistle. And we've got some nice uniform symmetry, you know, streamlined about like I'd say a golf ball. Our teenagers, they ate too many pizzas. Oh my goodness, that looks good. But you know, one thing about doing this stuff yourself is, you know, secrets. Like, hey, I know there's a secret hole in the back of this bed. Yeah, that's just a tie down. It's a new spot for tie downs. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. I could weld those plates back in there pretty easy. Whenever I look at this hole, I'm gonna think, man, I saved $1,500 there probably. It wasn't that bad. You just got to go in there and make some ruckus, I guess, and that's what we did. But hey, it works. Lights work. As long as we keep those blue and red Christmas lights from popping up behind us with a thing, I guess we did our job on that.